The examine command can be very useful when you're presenting your models in World. This object, when you click on it, you can take control of it and look around the back and the top and the bottom. So when you click again, you let go of it. It shows a new kind of cursor when you mouse over. So here you see the arrow, here you see the grab. Okay, how do we make that? Well, we're going to copy this picture, bring it out over where we can see it, and we're going to keep the create picture, and we're going to add a semicolon and activate as our trigger and examine as our command, and that's all there is to it. So now nope, okay, wrong. No semicolon, a comma because it's still with create, and examine. And there you go. Now we're examining our picture. When we click again, we let go.